Cleanliness. Cleanliness is necessary to health. Dirt is the mother of ill health and sufferings. It causes all sorts of disease. Doctors are of opinion that the terrible plagues and epidemics that rage in Pakistan today are primarily caused by filthy and insanitary conditions of life. In the previous Punjab, the number of people suffering from typhoid is on the increase. And typhoid, they say, we eat and drink through dirty eatables and impure water. It is therefore clear that if you want to keep well, we must keep our bodies, our clothes, and our houses clean. Besides, we should try to keep the drains and gutters of body leads to cleanness of mind. He who tries to be clean in the body and dress evidently puts in effort both mental and physical, and every effort has a healthy effect upon the mind.